Data analyst is one of the most demanding job in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dewanshi. As a data analyst, you can learn data analysis for the next 4 months for free. Today we will learn how to do it. So, without any further delay, let's get started. According to estimates, 1.145 trillion megabytes of data produced each day. What is the job of data analyst? A data analyst is someone who collects and interpret data for a business. What is the use of data analysis? 4 ways to use of data analysis. First, better understanding their customer. Second, more effective marketing. Third, personalized content. Fourth, create content strategy and develop product. What is data analysis? The collection, transformation and organization of data in order to draw conclusion, make prediction and drive informed decision making. To become a data analyst, you must first understand this programming language. Python is the best for beginners because there are many libraries in Python that make easy data processing. How to get a free Python learning? Greatlearning.com. You can learn the fundamental of Python for free right here. w3school.com. You may also learn the fundamental of Python from this site. Third, hackerrank.com. This is a website where you may practice your Python programming language. Data visualization is extremely important in data analysis. What is data visualization? The graphically representation of data. Which tools are used for data visualization? 4 tools are used data visualization. First, Microsoft Excel. Second, Power BI. Third, Python libraries. 4, Tableau. How can you learn data analysis for free online course with a certificate? Freecodecamp. You can start your learning by sign up. Google Data Analysis in Coursera for here. You can start your learning. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Subscribe to the channel to more videos.